Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. In this video, we are going to discuss about the error tax percent of account not defined in masters that occurs at times while passing journal entries. This error occurs if the default tax percentage is not defined for the tax accounts in setup account window. We will now pass an entry to know more about the error. Go to main menu and click on account entries. Then click on journal purchase. We will now pass an entry to know about the error. As you can see while saving the bill, error is encountered which states that the tax percentage is not defined for the tax accounts in account masters. To resolve this error, we will go to Setup New Account. We will now filter those tax accounts that were used while passing the entry. For example, for this entry, we will filter GST purchase 12% at default tax percentage and resave the account. Similarly, enter default tax percentage for CGST input 6% and SGST input 6% as well. After adding default tax percentage, we will again pass the same entry and check the error. As you can see that the entry is saved successfully without the error. In case you find it difficult or error still persists, then feel free to post ticket and we will contact you in shortest possible time. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. For more software related updates, hit the notification bell icon and subscribe to our channel.